The sides A, B and C of a triangle are given. So here we need to obtain the area of the triangle. Let us begin. Now first, let's note down the given information. So here we have a triangle ABC. The side A of the triangle has 13 units, B has a length of 8 units and C has a length of 7 units. Now using these three lengths, we can find out the perimeter. So the perimeter, which is the sum of the three sides, that's going to be equal to, so we have 13 plus 7, that's 20, 20 plus 8 will be 28. Now we're going to divide both sides with 2. We have A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. So that is going to give us 14. The reason why dividing by 2, because A plus B plus C over 2, this is nothing but the semi-perimeter of a triangle, which is represented by the letter S in lowercase. And that means the semi-perimeter of the triangle is 14 units. Now using this, we can find out the area of the triangle. Now area of a triangle can be obtained by using the Heron's formula. The area of triangle ABC, the Heron's formula, which is given by, we have the square root, and underneath the square root we have S multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now let's use the value. So we have square root of 14 multiplied to 14 minus 13 multiplied to 14 minus 8 multiplied to 14 minus 7. So this is going to give us a value. It's going to give us an approximate value of 24.2 square units. So this is going to be the area of the triangle.